right, today I'm taking a look at the BEAMNOVA outdoor trash can. Okay, I got it very nicely packed, so that's good. Wow, look at that. One thing I am noticing is we do have a thick plastic bottom, so I don't have to worry about that getting banged up on the bottom like I would with a full stainless trash can. That is a big old trash can. So we got a nice top ring with no sharp edges, so that's important. We don't want to be cutting ourselves. That's nice. So it does have a liner, so we can make sure that we can keep the outside protected. We're not banging that thing around. We can just take out the inside, and that'll also make it easier just to get that bag out. So there is the liner. And we can see we do have a hole right here, so that makes it easier to get a tight fitting bag. Instead of having to take that thing and then tie it in a knot or put a big rubber band around it, we can just take that bag and stuff it in there. And then the can itself is just empty. It's a nice little ornament. Makes everything look real nice. So, drop our bag in, whip around the top, tighten that up and stuff it in that hole. Drop that liner in, put the ring on top. There we go. So this, for me, is going to be the world's best garage trash can. They're using those little, like kitchen ones that are always beat up. And because this is an open top, it's not going to be good for a kitchen because we don't want to be having fumes go out. But in the garage, this is going to be perfect. Anything I need to just throw away quickly, can have plenty of room for it in here. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice trash can.